Welcome to LeonCo and welcome to your weekly video. Welcome to LeonCo and welcome to your weekly video. And on these couple of days, maybe these couple of weeks, especially next week when we finish the month of March, we will officially ended a whole year since in the United States we started all of this lockdowns for the global pandemic. So for some people this has been more than a year, for others it's been a little less, but for the whole world it's been something that's been greatly impacted, and it's impacted lots of assets of our life, from the way we live, the things we do, and especially the way that we work around money, how we make money, and all things surrounding investing, working, so on and so forth. We changed everything from how we work, where we work, the places that we work in, and how do we work. But when it comes to money, it's been something very particular because we've had some sort of reshuffling in the markets of investing. There have been new opportunities for investors, there have been closing of opportunities, and for some this has been a great opportunity to enter the stock market, to start investing, or even to create a new business, while for others has been very detrimental. So one of the things that we wanted to share with you guys regarding this video and how do we tie this all up with investing is that after a full year, there are some sectors that we want to share with you guys and some of our opinions that could be very useful for you if you're starting to invest or you are thinking of diversifying your portfolio. So jumping right to it, there is one sector that is very important and that has been very lucrative throughout these couple of weeks, especially throughout these couple of months, and that is the pharmaceutical sector. And there are two big companies that come into mind, and that is Johnson & Johnson and Pfizer. Even though these companies, you may think that you are late to enter these companies, the reality is that you're not necessarily late. Johnson & Johnson is a great company. It has been a great company for many years, and so has been Pfizer. But especially now that they are one of the companies that are in the forefront of the vaccines for this global pandemic, they have been surging in prices. Even though in the last few weeks and the last few months you could have been able to have the opportunity to jump into them in a great value, they are still great value companies because they are tested throughout the test of time, and as well they have proven that they have the capability to adapt to their surroundings and to provide value even though the economy or the situation that they are facing does not necessarily provide value. They have the capability to do so. So if you are interested in entering a different sector, the pharmaceutical sector, these two companies could be a great value for you. I know you may be heard of these, or maybe have the intention and maybe think that you're too late. You're never too late, because the price today can be very significantly low to the price it could be tomorrow. Another sector that is very fruitful thanks to this situation and the coming back to the economy is the technology sector, especially when it comes to the companies that we want to mention for you guys. Boeing Company, Tesla, and General Motors. These three companies have been striving during these days, especially Boeing. Boeing is starting to head back up as more and more vaccines get out there, as more treatment gets out there, and as all this health situation starts to get under control, the Boeing company is going to jump back up and is going to bounce back up. The Tesla company has been greatly affected in a positive way throughout these couple of months, as they have been trying to innovate throughout all of this situation, and they are heading into create more innovation throughout the next couple of months and the next couple of years. So this could be a great opportunity for you to start investing in Tesla after their stock split, especially now when this price has been dipping down to the $600 mark from their 800 mark back in January. So this could be a great opportunity for you to invest in Tesla. And finally, General Motors. General Motors has been a company that has been beating expectations throughout these couple of weeks, because they jumped from a $20 to $30 company all the way up to almost hitting that $60 mark in their stock. They're a great value company. They are a great technology and automobile company. It's one of the best automobile companies in the United States and in the world. And it's a great dividend stock if you're interested in creating that diversity in your portfolio. So we wanted to share with you guys these value opportunities that you can use them to try to get some value all of this situation that we're starting to hit back out to normality, because these stocks have been doing good throughout this whole situation when the economy has been staggered in some point. But I can assure you, when we hit back up that press go button and we hit that green light in the stock market and in the economy, they're going to jump back up to where they were headed before we hit that standstill, and they will be great opportunities for you to get profit and for you to diversify your portfolio. So we wanted to share with you guys these quick tips on how can you start investing and take advantage of the opportunities that are in your hand right now. So with that in mind, I hope you guys are staying safe, staying healthy, and always remember to have that king mentality.